Since IFA is happening for the first time in Hyderabad, how do you feel?
Feel very happy, very excited. Thank you, Hyderabad, for hosting us. And I feel a part of the family IFA, and I'm so happy being a family member of IFA that IFA Utsavam is happening for the first time, and it chose Hyderabad to start it off. What a wonderful evening so far, and what a wonderful evening for me. I got this for Malayalam, and thank you, jury, thank you, audiences, for loving Kathirunnu Kathirunnu. This song is indeed very special. So thank you IFA, thank you Hyderabad, thank you the entire South film industry for giving me so much love and so many good songs, and to the audiences, thank you.
So you won a lot of awards before, so does this one make it very special?
It does. I think it's one of the very very special awards because, of course, I have IFA Hindi at home. All for Hindi songs. But IFA making a debut in honoring the artists in the South film industry, which deserves so much love and the respect which it already gets globally, and finally getting an IFA to celebrate this wonderful celebration of South India film industry. So of course this award will mean a lot to me for my entire life. Thank you.
Can you sing a song for us? Like a couple of lines?
കാത്തിരുന്ന് കാത്തിരുന്ന് പുഴമേലിഞ്ഞു കടവൊഴിഞ്ഞു കാലവും കടന്നു പോയി വേനലിൽ ദലങ്ങൾ പോൽ വളകലൂർന്നു പോയി.
Wow, that was really nice. And since IFA is supporting a cause called Be1 for Chennai, can you tell us something that happened during the Chennai floods?
Of course, I think IFA is doing a wonderful thing, being part and making everyone come together for B1, benefiting for Chennai flood victims, and collecting, doing good things for the rehabilitation of Chennai. I think Chennai is such a strong city, and it went through such a bad phase. I mean, those days when Chennai was affected by floods, we were all praying from every corner of the world, and the whole of India was praying that somehow the floods just stop. And so many people so bravely, helped people, each other, and made sure that everyone was safe. And I think this showed the real spirit of Chennai, and I'm really proud of the city, and my entire hopes that we are able to do any little bit to help Chennai in whichever way it's possible. We can't thank you, Chennai, for being what you have done for me as an artist, and I feel very very grateful to you, and thank you, and wish you all the best. God bless you. B1 for Chennai, and B1 at IFA Utsavam.
So tell us something about IFA since it's happening for the first time in Hyderabad.
IFA, it's a big name in amongst all of us, and